Alright, look. So, Cash Out Me album, or whatever the fuck the shit is, just dropped. And, I had to do a little preset. Now, to be honest, I ain't gonna lie with you. I don't know how Cash Out Me do it with these no vocal. I mean, no, none. Like, I don't know how he do it. I don't know how he do it. And it still somehow sound decent. I don't know how he do it. I don't know how he do it. Shit, don't blame me. I don't know how we do it. Fuck. I don't shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how we do it. But look, yeah, here's the preset. Actually, I got two different type of presets. So, I'll just save this one as Cash Dummy. Alright, so you can pick out of these two which one you like better. I honestly don't know which one's better, so that's why I said just these two right here. This one and this one. Pick which one. Alright. So, let me give you the sheet. I'm gonna play the song at the end. So, yeah, I'm gonna play the song at the end. Alright, I should get this one real quick. Yeah, wait. There we go. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hold on. Damn. Alright. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah, hear the his ad libs. Just like a fuck. Just some standardish kind of ad libs. I know it's a lot, but all I did was get it's one of these. All I did was get the preset right here, one of these, and I put some studio reverb and put this up so I can sound like it's on like a telephone. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's about it. But let me play that. Let me play this song real quick. Man, I swear y'all niggas too lame. Bitch ass niggas really think it's a game. Turn that nigga to. Hold on. See, for it to sound even better, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do this. I gotta turn the bass up. Man, I swear y'all niggas too lame. Bitch ass niggas really think it's a game. Turn that nigga to nothing. Turn that nigga to nothing. Got me a Glock in it, but you tell me. Dumbass nigga, I knew you a dummy. Pull out the fire, that nigga started running. Yeah. Now you can't lie. I got his ad-libs on point though. The ski, whoever the fuck it is, I got that shit on point though. You know what I'm saying? Man, I swear y'all niggas too lame. Bitch ass niggas really think it's a game. Turn that nigga to nothing. Turn that nigga to nothing. Got me a Glock in it, but you tell me. Dumbass nigga, I knew you a dummy. Pull out the fire, that nigga started running. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that bad. Well, hold on. I wanna see something. Oh yeah. See, I know that nigga don't use no auto-tune, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta use some type of auto-tune, bro. I'll cut it off and then play it again. I don't know how y'all. It still don't. It still sound like I ain't used no auto-tune for this shit, but. Man, I swear y'all niggas too lame. Bitch ass niggas really think it's a game. Turn that nigga to nothing. Turn that nigga to nothing. Got me a Glock in it, but you tell me. Dumbass nigga, I knew you a dummy. Pull out the fire, that nigga started running. Yeah. It sound the same. Well, there you go. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, peace.